Good day, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you love cars and DIYs, you might want to consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Alright, so today I'm gonna teach you on how to change your tailgate light bulbs just in case one of the bulbs are busted or you want to make maybe modifications like changing the bulbs itself from the stock halogen to an LED bulb for brighter and less electrical consumption. So first thing that we want to do is we want to prepare the tools that we will be using. Alright, so the tools that we will be using for this DIY is size 10 T-wrench, dry cloth, and a prying tool or maybe a flathead screwdriver, just in case we'll have a hard time prying the uh, tail tailgate light later on. Okay.
Later.
Alright, so first thing that we want to do for this DIY after preparing the tools is we want to open the trunk or the tailgate. Okay, just pull out that lever and you'll be able to open the tailgate like this.
A few moments later.
Alright, so after removing the nuts on your tailgate light, uh, slowly or gently push each bolt outwards and just be careful when you push the threads out, as you might damage not only the paint on your tailgate door as well as the threads on this one. And if the threads are damaged, you might be able to encounter problems putting back the nuts and might cause leak on your tailgate light. Okay, so let me go ahead and do it.
Later.
Alright, so thread has been pushed inwards. Now all you need to do is close gently your tailgate door and you'll see that the tailgate light is loose. Now gently pull out the tailgate light assembly like this. Alright, and you should be able to see the socket here, and you should be able to pull this apart. You just need to pry the locks for this, and once those are removed you will see four size T10 bulbs, and if one of those is busted, you just need to replace it one by one. Okay. All right. So actually, all of the lights on my tailgate light is working, so no need for me to uh, disassemble or change any of the bulbs. When putting this back, just make sure that the threads are lined up on the hose, like so. So make sure that there's no leak on all sides. And then lift your tailgate door, and you will see again those three threads. Okay, I'm just gonna lubricate the nuts that we removed, and I'm gonna put it back. Okay, and also when putting this back after lubricating or maybe cleaning, be careful when tightening it. You might damage again the doors and the threads on this one. So these are um, very sensitive. So don't tighten the nuts too much because you might damage the thread. All right, so nuts are um, lubricated and cleaned. As always, when tightening nuts and bolts, first tighten it using your hand. This is to prevent damaging the threads on the nut or the bolt. Okay, so tighten it with your hand as tight as you can first, and then, okay, once everything is in place, okay, okay. So once everything is in place, just give it a little twist using your T-wrench. Okay, and then wipe clean the excess oil or lubricant, and that's it. All right, so that's basically it. That is how you uh, change or basically remove and replace the bulbs on your tailgate light assembly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for joining me today. Until our next DIY video.